Around 1680, a gunsmith possibly known as John Dafte designed the first revolver with automatic cylinder rotation, meaning the first revolver that rotated and indexed the cylinder to the barrel when the shooter pulled back the hammer. His designs were both simple and complicated. Simple because the cylinder was rotated by means of a simple ratchet and pawl connected to the hammer, like Colt's later designs. Complicated because they were flintlocks that required a separate priming pan for each chamber, meaning that each priming pan required a cover that would automatically open when the hammer was dropped. They were marvelous pieces of engineering, yet too complicated to be economically viable.